He told me to stay in my room with the door locked. I could see the headlights from the car coming into my window. And then I heard footsteps outside my door. I wanted to go help him, but I promised I would stay in my room. I was so scared. I wanted to scream. He's supposed to help coach my baseball team tonight. You're gonna find my brother, right? You have to. It is called a chocolatarian diet. Basically, you can eat whatever you want, but it has to have at least one type of chocolate in it. No one knows how bad vegetables can be for you. For example, you know how I make that face when I eat asparagus? Well, if I make it too much, my face will freeze. Oh, and don't get me started with that quinoa stuff. You know what they say, don't eat anything that you can't pronounce. As a chocolatarian, all my meals will be easy to pronounce, like cookies and brownies, and I'll even make a point of having jelly bean supplements. Mom, please? You let Dad go on that diet where all you eat is meat,